Hi, Nate Yano from Health Matters. Today we're going to do a little review on the Matrix S drive. A couple of options you have on here. You've got a sled push option on the left-hand side, and we've got a parachute run on the right-hand side. There's no power to this machine, so you adjusting here will adjust the tension on your sled. What you see here is that's slowing my feet down even with a parachute. I'll show you what that parachute part is afterwards. This sled piece is really where it's going to add the heavy resistance. When you feel like it's stopping your legs in your tracks, that's when you want to start leaning into that. So you've got different heights on the bar. If you feel like it's harder to push and you need a little extra leverage, that's when you start going lower. Again, that heavy resistance is going to give you a little bit more at each level. Now these are numbered from 1 to 8 as far as resistance goes, but you'll feel a lot of glute and hamstring work here, just like you're pushing up a hill with some heavy resistance. You can do intervals on these machines. This isn't one that you're going to typically go for a jog with, but you can adjust this to a point where you can get a nice walk or warm up. You can see it's at an incline, so you've already got a little bit of resistance. I'll show you that parachute run, and you're going to be using this strap behind it. So if you're going to do the parachute run, this one's going to be used for more intervals. The higher you put this up, the higher it's going to be on the hip. So if you're taller, you want that up higher. For shorter, you're going to bring that a little bit lower on those yellow notches here. So once you've got that tension adjusted where you need it, we'll take some resistance off this. You'll see once I start moving and putting a little more into it, that's going to get that tread moving a little faster. So if I want to get a little more speed work in, I can get my interval, recover back down just by stepping on the side, catch my breath, get back into another interval. Great way for athletes to train, or if you want to feel like an athlete, this is a great way to do it. Again, it's up to you how much tension you put on that, but the Matrix X drive is a great option for your workouts. Nate Yando, Health Matters.